Morning traders, and this is your Aussie South African Top 40 review for today. So a couple of things happening yesterday. So the first thing is we ended up with a inside bar, which is inside the previous, or sort of the previous close, which was Friday. But this is happening off the 200 moving average. So this is the simple moving average that is happening. I look at my oscillators. My oscillators are telling me I need to worry about being close to a level right now. So not really the best level I can find is round about that area, and the next level would be up there, which we haven't got to yet. Okay, so oscillator saying be wary of the level. We add a level being the 200 EMA, but we do have a crossover, which to me is almost a trend change. I'd like to see a pullback and a test and hold that break, and then we move up. And that would confirm that trend change to me. So at this stage with the Aussie, we're also bouncing off the 200 EMA right now, and we had a move to the downside with a pin bar yesterday, and then we went sideways. So at this right now, kind of in two minds. I think there are two levels to the downside we need to worry about. The first one is this one here, which is kind of a head and shoulders. I'll show you on the lower time frame. So that is 49,260, and the next big one is 49,112. So those are levels that we need to hold in order for this to continue moving to the upside. But what's concerning me is the view on the daily, and then you look here, quite a nice head and shoulders. There's a shoulder, there's a head, shoulder, also a bit of a double top, and the double top neckline is pretty much over there. You can see we broke below this level here, and now we've tested it. Okay, so basically what that means, 450 odd points. One close doesn't really target anything. Yeah, so we've got this inverse head and shoulders here, which by the looks of things played out. $900 odd points. Hasn't quite played out. But yes, if you look at the hour, you can see we had a nice trend to the upside. Moving average is pointing up. Moving average has crossed over, and we have broken the trend line. Okay, the trend line we've broken is pretty much this one here. Oops. Okay, we've broken that trend line there, and now pretty difficult to see what we're going to do. Okay, so this zone here is pretty much what I'm going to be watching. So go down to the 30, and you can see lots of fake outs on the 30-minute breakout strategy. Look at my moving average, at my oscillators again, sorry, and they're all indicating that there's a potential move to the downside. So I do think we've got another, either this is going to form into a range, okay, or alternatively it is going to be a head and shoulders with a break to the downside. So these are the levels that I'm watching at the moment. Okay, so if we do break below the low of yesterday, that is going to kick off quite a few stop losses, and also kick off quite a few short triggers as well. And your stop is pretty much going to be above this fractal level here of 49,520 would be a safe area. Okay, so that's kind of the view at the moment. We could also just bounce the upside, and this could turn into a flat bottom triangle, or alternatively, we could bounce the upside and this could turn into a bigger range. Okay, a 50-50 call at the moment. I don't think there's really a direction to pick at the moment. So for me, if you're going to trade the Aussie this morning, it's going to be on the 12 or 15 minute candle, and you can see we had a move down yesterday. We've broken up, and you could argue that this is a bit of a consolidation for a move back the upside. Okay, so yeah, just be careful. Watch this level down 49,260. Just watch that area. If we do get through that, that's a head and shoulders break. Then you're looking for shorts. If we don't get through that and we stay, then you're looking for an opportunity to get long, probably back to this diagonal trend line, or alternatively to come and test a breakout. That one's been tested, and I think that one's also been tested, yeah. So you see these breakouts here. You can see how price is using them on the 12-minute. Okay, so yeah, a bit of a mixed bag. I think for this market, just sit and watch for a bit to see what happens. Kind of anticipating this to hold and for it to move back the upside, but anything can happen. So this is my line in the sand, and we'll wait and see. So I'm probably going to just sit and watch this for a while to see what happens. If we do start breaking above this fractal level here, which is 49,500, if we do break above 49,500, then watch for this diagonal. Should come back and test it, and then that would be my entry for a long. Okay, so that's kind of the two levels we're looking for. Break and retest above 49,500, it's long, and a break and retest below 49,261, and we are short. Okay, so anyway, that's my view today. I hope it helps, and catch you later. Cheers for now.